soon as you walk in, this is the door. This is broken. Like, why would you give me this? I can't even talk, y'all. I'm doing a house tour. Hear me? Room tour for y'all. I don't know what this is. This looks like a control something. This is a mirror. Like, yes. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god. So yeah, there's a mirror. You know you have to have this when you're in a hotel, right? Right? There's the washroom. I'm not really liking the washroom now because the toilet's not working. It feels like back home. You know, back home. I'm Ghana. So when they run out of water, it's like. So I was like, did they run out of water? I might have to call front desk to let them know. But yeah, that's the shower. I'm not liking the shower though. Whatever, toilet. There's the mirror. There's the sink. And there's the door. Let me turn it off. There's this as soon as you walk in. I had to load the TV. I was blasting up loud, as you guys seen in the other video when I walked in. He told me to meet him. He said he's going to show me around. So I got to do this quickly. And then, yeah. So there's a TV. Let me show you again. Because every time I show y'all, it's like, oh, I didn't even know that combo. I like it. There's the desk. And all my shit is on it. I like this because it has a phone. I need that. Well, if there was a mirror here, I could do my makeup. He said it's the fridge. The drinks are free because I paid for it. It's a resort. So, y'all know I'm going to be drinking this, that. This, I don't know what this is. So maybe I'm going to drink it. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. It's not even cold. You want me to drink out of there? There's the AC running. This, oh, I love this. Because look, I have fake nails on, right? So I just... There's my safe, he said. I don't know if I want to... Oh, there's an umbrella. Yes, okay. There's the iron board. Look iron board. Oh, this is the hotel I'm at. I don't know how to say that. Emotion something. You'll see. I might not even going to use that. There's the iron. Just in case I forget that. There's that. There's a telephone. There's a Bible. Ooh, too bad I can't read. It's fine. Oh, it's in English. Okay. I'm going to be reading a lot. There's under the shelf. There's this. So there's the thing. Here's the name of the hotel I'm at. Emotions and expression of blah, blah, blah. And last but not least, there's my bed, y'all. I told him I wanted a king. I told my travel agent. Well, it's the first time I'm booking a travel agent by myself. I usually book travel agents with my mother, but yeah, by myself. Came on this trip alone, as you guys can see, because people last minute thing. Yeah, I can't do a last minute. And y'all can say, some of you have been saying I don't have friends. You can say whatever you want. I don't have friends. It's best to not have friends, because you'll go further in life without your friends. Because some people hold you back, like me. Some people's been holding me back. So yeah, I feel like every time I go on vacation, I'm always out of breath. There's that. There's the time. I don't even think that's the time. Let's see. I need to go meet this guy. It's 4, maybe, I don't know. There's coffee, but y'all know I ain't gonna be drinking no coffee. What's in here? Nothing. There's a little garbage can. And then there's this. Let me show y'all my balcony. Like what? Okay. This is nice. There's a next pool over there, so let me show y'all. Oh, this part is blurry. Oh, my lens is dirty. There we go. Ooh, I'm loving that breeze, y'all. There's a guy up there she's talking to. Okay. Alrighty. Hope I don't get no mosquito bites. But yeah, I'm just loving the resort so far. I don't know what number I'm at. So I gotta go catch this guy. Show me around. Oh my god, there's just sand and the beach. Where's the beach? There's the beach. Y'all see that beach, right? I'm gonna go on that. When I came down here, I don't know, it's a bit sad because it kind of reminds me of back home. Oh my god, I'm zoomed in. It kind of reminds me of back home. I think I miss back home. So I maybe take a trip to Ghana because I feel like I miss it. I really feel like I miss Ghana. I don't know. So yeah, that's my I forgot to show you all this. That's my hotel tour. I feel like I didn't do it properly, but yeah. So I'm gonna lock up some stuff and then go meet the guy, I guess. Might as well, right? I don't know. Might as well. What exactly am I doing? Oh, I'm so itchy. So I'm gonna lock up, and go to the guys. It's only 10 minutes. It's a little over, oh my god, why is it blurry? It's a little over 10 minutes, but okay. So yeah, I don't know why I'm blurry, but I'll get back to you guys when I go see the guy. My shirt says Rebel Love. I don't know, I just put it on. So I'll get back to you when I get to the guy.